All right, you guys ready to go?
Yeah. అర్థమైంది నాకు ఫ్రెండ్లీ భయంకరంగా ఉన్నది
అడిగిండి ఎవరు ఫ్రెండ్స్ అంటే నువ్వు వచ్చి
Pompano 8 Charlie Hotel, Boca Raton, ground, good afternoon, runway 23, taxi via Papa 5 Papa, cleared 2. The Pagefield Airport, as filed, maintained.
That's the new FAU Stadium, Florida Atlantic University. You can see all the canals here, all the waterways.
Yeah.
They're all man-made saltwater canals that connect to the intercoastal waterway you'll see shortly and out the inlet. This canal here borders between Palm Beach County and Broward County. This is now Deerfield Beach. One from Boca to Deerfield. This area here is Lighthouse Point, Florida. Yep, you can see all the canals, island after island. Everybody's got a swimming pool here. My new house they're building on the left with the helipad on top. Right next to your house right there. The Hillsborough Inlet we're flying over on the corner of the inlet, the Pompano Beach Lighthouse.
Pompano Beach already. Oh. What was good?
అబ్బా ఇది మొత్తం వాటర్ చూడండి అత్తమా
కన్న మూసుకున్నా నేను
అయ్యో చూడండి మీరు ఏం కాదు వాటర్లు ఉన్నాం
అదే
November, Skyhawk November 1,
Look at the fish.
Oh my God.
Hotel 333, ready for departure.
No.
Lower 1, proceed on taxiway Papa.
Push the blue button.
కిందికి వచ్చినాం అది వచ్చి వస్తామన్నాడు
See this blue button right over here? Push it gently, give it a small little push. There you go.
No. It's him not do any experiment.
This area here is Deerfield Beach
డీర్ఫీల్డ్ బీచ్ నేను వచ్చినాను చూడు మనం
and the Deerfield Pier.
యా
You can see the rooftop swimming pool on that building. The Pink Tower, the Boca Resort, Waldorf Astoria Resort, the tennis courts and the golf course, the Boca Country Club. This area here to the right is Meisner Park, all the shops, restaurants, bars. Cool down. How'd you like the ride?
It was nice.
You liked it?
Yeah.
Hey, thank you. 11.
Mm-hmm.